Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name's Jessica, and today we're going to be talking about a truck accessory that we consider a must-have for any truck enthusiast. The SC3, Worksport's premium soft trifold tonneau cover. Worksport's SC3 is engineered and tested right here in the USA, designed with quality and ease of use in mind. The SC3 will protect your cargo, help increase fuel efficiency, and look great at an aggressive price. Join us as we dive into what makes Worksport's SC3 a great choice as an entry-level tonneau cover for your pickup truck. The SC3 comes fully assembled and fits most makes and models. Its lightweight, durable design makes installation a breeze, with no need for drilling or modifications to your truck bed, while its contoured low-profile design prevents water from pooling on the surface. The contents of your truck bed are also safeguarded from the elements with superior protection. Thanks to our tear-resistant one-piece vinyl tarp, perimeter Q seals that conform to the bed rails, and fold pads on both the hinges and the corners, we also use a high-quality stainless steel hardware, which offers great tensile strength and enhanced resistance to corrosion. While the textured matte black finish found on the cover's aluminum components provide maximum protection and help prevent unwanted scratches or abrasions, the SC3 also features injected molded corner caps that provide additional reinforcements while preventing unwanted curling, helping the cover look great over its lifespan. To further enhance the durability of the SC3, its vinyl tarp is UV coated on both sides, which prevents the material and the color from weathering over time. It also features UV-protected marine-grade thread and rubber Q seals, guarding them against cracks and tears from extended exposure to the sun. The cover's UV protection, along with all the other features, contribute to the SC3 looking great and lasting longer. As you know, there's always risks involved with keeping valuables in the bed of your truck, and we recognize that security is paramount. The SC3, like all our covers, will keep exposed tools and equipment out of sight, preventing your truck from being a potential target for theft. Additionally, the SC3 uses a rear cam latch that's designed to resist tampering, making forced entry difficult, especially when paired with a locking tailgate. If SC3 impresses you, our Pro Series is bound to captivate. If you want enhanced usability, then upgrading to our SC3 Pro is a must. Our Pro Series tonneau covers come equipped with our cable release rear latching system that makes opening and closing your tonneau cover much faster. SC3 Pro is secured to the truck bed using our easily installed bracket hardware, which avoids the use of cumbersome drainage rails. You can even access your truck bed if your tailgate is obstructed. If you can open your tailgate just enough to get your hand in to pull the release cable, then you're still able to access your truck bed. Worksport's SC3 and SC3 Pro come equipped with the features that you would expect in a quality tonneau cover and is proudly designed, stocked, and shipped in the USA. We offer free same-day shipping, a lifetime warranty on any defective materials and craftsmanship, and 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back.